In this video, we will talk about how to solve two-step inequalities with just positive coefficients. Remember, to solve two-step inequalities, we want to focus on any adding or subtracting first, and then any multiplying or dividing. The first example we have 2x plus 5 is greater than or equal to 9. What we're going to do first is focus on any adding or subtracting, and I see here I have plus 5. So what I'm going to undo is show minus 5 to both sides. Now I'm going to have 2x is greater than or equal to 9 and negative 5, which is 4. Those are different signs, so we subtract. Next, I want to focus on any multiplying or dividing, and I notice that I'm multiplying 2 and x, so the next thing I'm going to do is divide both sides by 2. When I do that, I get x is greater than or equal to 2. Remember, if you were asked to graph it as well, you would want to have 2 here in the middle on your number line, and greater than or equal to is a closed circle pointing to the right. The next example, we're still going to start with adding or subtracting first. So I'm going to focus on this minus 5 and do the opposite of what I see. So I'm going to add 5 to both sides. Now I'll have 4x is less than 19 and 5 makes 24. The last step will be to focus on any multiplying or dividing. And I'm going to undo this multiplication I see here by dividing both sides by 4. So x is less than 6. Again, if you're asked to graph this, we would have 6 here in the middle of our number line. Since we're seeing the less than symbol, we're going to have an open circle pointing left.